Hello, hello, check. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಆರಾಧ್ಯ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ 8th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮೆನ್ಸುರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನ 9.3 ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಥಮ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay. Before we start this exercise, we have to know about volume of cylinder and volume of cube, volume of cuboid. Yes, volume of cube formula is volume of cylinder is pi r square h and volume of cube is a cube. Otherwise, side cube is a volume of cube formula and volume of cuboid is L into B into H. L into B into H is the volume of the cuboid and volume of cube is a cube and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. If you know these three formula, then we can easily solve this exercise, completely exercise this one. First question here. Just a minute. Okay, your first question is that given a cylindrical tank, in which situation will you find the surface area and in which situation volume? When we find the surface area of the given that tank, otherwise any cylinders, otherwise when we find the surface area of the that cylinder, if you take one cylinder here, now I have here one cylinder is there. In that cylinder, if you paint this surface area, that time we use the surface area formula, curved surface area. If you paint completely this cylinder, then we have to use that total surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r into h plus r. H plus r is the total surface area of the cylinder, and if you just curved surface area is curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi RH. If you feel anything about in this cylinder, then we find the volume that we called as volume. ಈ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅದ್ರ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಟಾಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಬರೀ ಈ ಕರ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ 3 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ತವೆ, 3 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, one is curved surface area, one more is volume, that is pi r square h. Pi r square h. Suppose see here one circle is there, in that circle we are using formula pi r square, pi r square. If we increase this circle, it becomes height increases. Now it is a height of the cylinder, that means pi r square h. Pi r square h is the volume of the cylinder. Cylinder na ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಚ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಗ್ತದ. ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು CD ಕ್ಯಾಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. CD ಕ್ಯಾಸೆಟ್ 1/1 ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದು ಹೈಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆವು, ವಾಟರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ರ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿದ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಟೂ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, if we close both sides, that is total surface area. If we fill anything in this cylinder, that we called as volume. Volume is there. In here 3 situations are there. First one is to find how much it can be hold. ಆ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಿಡಿತದೋ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಿಡಿತದ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್. ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಟ್. ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡದ, ಅದು ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್. That is second answer. And third one, to find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with the water from it. A can ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿದ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ವಾಟರ್ ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿದ್ರ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. That's why third one, C answer is volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder. Now like this, these 3 answers are there. First one, volume of the cylinder. Second one, surface area of the cylinder, otherwise total surface area of the cylinder. And C1 is volume of cylinder. These 3 are the answers. Now next question. Diameter of a cylinder A, 7 centimeter, and the height is 14 centimeter. Diameter of the cylinder B, here diameter of the cylinder B is given 14 centimeter and height of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. Without doing any calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? In these two cylinder, which volume is greater? Without calculation, doing any calculation, how to find these two? First of all, we know about that the volume of the formula, volume of cylinder pi r square h. That is also pi r square h. If we compare these two, what happens here? Pi both are common is there, both the pi's are common. That's why here r means diameter is given, d equals to 7 centimeter is there, and r equals to 7 divided by 2, that is 3.5 centimeter. Here d equals to 14 is there, and r equals to 14 divided by 2 means that is r equals to 7 centimeter. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 centimeter diameter, in 14 centimeter. In these two, one is smaller diameter, one is greater diameter. Here diameter is twice. No, diameter ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಡಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಸಾರಿ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕ ಡಬಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 3.5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 14 diameter ಇತ್ತು, ಅದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ 7 square is 49. 7 square is 49. Here 3.5 square is 12.25. Which one is greatest here? 49 is greatest. That's why without doing any calculation, that cylinder volume is cylinder volume of the cylinder B is a greater volume of cylinder B is greater compared to volume of cylinder A. Understood? No. If we again consider this height, here 14 is there, here 7 is there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಇದು 14 height ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅದ, ಬಟ್ here this one is greater, no, 49. If you multiply 49 into 7, here 12.25 into 14, then again we got this one is greatest number. That's why here the volume of the B is greater, volume of B cylinder is greater. Answer first one is first bit answer. volume of cylinder B is greater than the volume of cylinder A. If we compare these two, doing that one is over. Now here verify by the finding the volume of the both the cylinders. Afterwards we have to find the verification. Now diameter of the cylinder A is that one, cylinder A, that is D, we are considering D is 7 centimeter, and radius of the cylinder R equals to D by 2 means 7 divided by 2, that is 3.5 centimeter, and height of the cylinder H equals to 14 centimeter. Now volume of the cylinder formula, volume of cylinder A is, that is pi r square H. Pi means here 22 divided by 7, and r is, we can take 7 divided by 2 into 7 divided by 2. H is 14, height is 14. Here 2 11s are 7 get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 7s are, remains here 11 into 7 into 7 49. If you multiply these two, then 9 13 carry 1 4 1 539 centimeter cube. Volume is centimeter cube. Therefore volume of cylinder A is 5 volume of cylinder is 539 centimeter cube. Now we can find the second. Afterwards we have to find second problem. This one second cylinder. Again here you have to write diameter of the cylinder B, that is D equals to 14 centimeter, and radius of the cylinder R equals to 14 divided by 2, otherwise D divided by 2, that means 14 divided by 2, 7. And height of the cylinder that is H equals to 7 centimeter. And afterwards you have to find volume of cylinder B. Cylinder B is pi r square h. Formula pi r square h. Here pi 22 divided by 7 into r is 7 into 7. That's 7 square is then r square, that means 7 into 7, 7 square, into h is 7 centimeter. H also 7. 7 get cancelled. 22 into 49. If you multiply both the numbers, 49 into 22, 2 9s are 18, carry 1, 2 4s are 8, 1 9, 89, 8 7, carry 1, 1078, 1078 centimeter cube is the volume of cylinder B. If we compare these two, what happens? The volume of cylinder B is greater than the volume of A. Therefore, hence the volume of cylinder B is greater than the volume of cylinder A. In these two, volume of cylinder B is greater. Just you write on these notes, otherwise you take the screenshot. Afterwards, we have to check whether the cylinder, with the greater volume also has a greater surface area. Now we can find the surface area, both the surface area, surface area of cylinder A and surface area of cylinder B. Now again here surface area of cylinder A. Formula surface area of cylinder A 2 pi r into h plus r. Already we know that 2 into pi 22 divided by 7. R value is here 7 divided by 2, otherwise 3.5, plus h value is 14 plus 7 divided by 2. 7 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled here. 22 into 14 plus 3.5. If we add these two, 22 into 17.5, multiply 17.5 into 22. 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 7s are 14, 15, carry 1, 2 1s are 2, 3. After one decimal is there, that is 385 centimeter square. Afterwards, second one, surface area of cylinder B. Formula 2 pi r into h plus r, total surface area of the cylinder formula. Here 22 into 2 into 22, 2 into 22 divided by 7, pi is 22 divided by 7, r is here 7 only, because diameter is given 14 centimeter, that radius is 7. 7 into 7 plus 7, 7 get cancelled, 44 into 14, multiply here 14 into 44, 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 1s are 4, 5, 56, 616 centimeter square. What they ask? Check whether the cylinder with the greater volume also has the greater area. Yes, here if the volume is greater, then the surface area is also greater. Right here, last conclusion. Yes, if the volume of cylinder is greater, then the surface area is also greater. If the volume is greater, then the surface area also greater. Next, third question, find the height of the cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter and the volume is 900 centimeter square. What is given here? One cube is there, cuboid. In that cuboid, that base area is given. Base, this is the base. Base is L into B, length into breadth. Base area is given. Base area is 180 centimeter, that is 180 centimeter square, and total volume is given here. Total volume is 900 centimeter square. We want to find here height of the cuboid equals to how much? Solution. volume of cuboid equals to 900 centimeter cube and base of the cuboid equals to 180 centimeter square. Listen here, base is we are considering L into B. Base is L into B. That L into B is equals to 180 centimeter square. Here L into B equals to 180 centimeter square, and volume means volume of cuboid formula. Volume of cuboid formula is L into B into H. We want to find this H, no? Keep H as it is, and volume of cuboid is 900 centimeter cube equals to L into B. L into B is 180 centimeter square into H. Keep as it is H. Send this 180 centimeter square LHS side. 900 centimeter cube divided by 180 centimeter square. Centimeter square, 1 centimeter square get cancelled, remains centimeter. 0 0 18 1s 9 2s 18, 9 10s 2 1s 2 5s. That is H equals to 5 centimeter. Height of the cuboid is 5 centimeter. Okay, next question. A cuboid is dimensional 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter, 30 centimeter. How many small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? 60 centimeter is length equals to 60 centimeters given, and breadth equals to 54 centimeter, and height is 30 centimeter. That is one cuboid is there. In that cuboid we have to fit the small cubes. How many cubes can be fit in this cuboidal volume? ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕೂಡ್ತಾವ? ಅದ್ರ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, that side is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. One cube is there. That side is 6 centimeter means all the sides are 6 centimeter only. 6 6 6 like this. First we have to find both the cuboidal and cubes volume of cube and cuboidal. Afterwards divide these two. Here first we have to find the volume of cuboidal. Volume of cuboidal, that is L into B into H. L into B into H, 60 centimeter into 54 centimeter into 30 centimeter. Keep this much as it is. Afterwards we can, when we are dividing small cubes, no, that time it's useful for that one. You have to keep this much as it is. Afterwards, volume of small cube. Volume of small cube is side cube. Formula, side cube formula is there. Here 6 into 6 into 6. What they ask, how many small cubes with the side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboidal? Here number of small cube can be placed in a cuboidal. That is number of volume of cuboidal divided by volume of cube. If you divide these two, then we got the answer. Here volume of cuboidal is 60 into 54 into 30 divided by 6 into 6 into 6. 6 ones are 6 tens are 6 ones are 6, 6 tens are 6 ones are 6 nines are 54, 6 ones are 6 fives are. If you multiply all these terms, 10 into 9 into 5, that is 450 centimeter cube. 450 number of the asthma, that's why right here only 450. 450 small cubes can be fitted in larger cuboidal. Next question, fifth one, find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and the diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. First write here given data. Volume of cylinder, that is 1.54 meter cube. Listen here, this is a cylinder. What is given here? Total volume is given 1.54 centimeter cube. A meter cube is given here. And base, diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. This one, diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. Diameter is given, we have to find first radius. Radius equals to d divided by 2, that is 140 divided by 2 means 70 centimeter. Radius of that cylinder is 70 centimeter. Afterwards we have to convert this one is meter, because this one is meter cube, no, that's why you have to convert this one is meter. 70 divided by 100 meter, that is 0 get cancelled, 0.7 meter. Radius of the cylinder is 0.7 meter and volume is given. We have to find the height of the cylinder. What is height of the cylinder? Listen here, one more time solution. Diameter of the cylinder, d equals to 140 centimeter, and radius of the cylinder, r equals to d divided by 2, 140 divided by 2, that is 70 centimeter. This is equal to 0.7 meter. R equals to 0.7 meter. And volume of the cylinder formula is volume of the cylinder equals to pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder is 1.54 meter cube, that is 22 divided by 7 into r is 0.7 into 0.7, because r square. H is height of the cylinder, we don't know, we have to find that one. 7 on the 7, 0.1. If you multiply these two, (1.54) equals to 22 into 0.1 into 0.7 into h. H. Here, if you multiply these two, 0.1 into 22, 2 ones are 2, 2 0 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 0 0, 2 2 0, 2.2. 1.54 equals to 2.2 into 0.7 into h. Send both these to this LHS side. 1.54 divided by 2.2 into 0.7 equals to h. Here 154, otherwise you have to do directly. 1.54 divided by 2.2. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 ones are 11, and 11 fours are 1.4. 1.4 divided by 0.7. Multiply here 10 by 10 equals to h. 14 divided by 7 equals to h. H equals to 2 meter. Height of the cylinder is 2 meter. If you not understood here, means once again see here. 1.54 equals to 22 divided by 7 into 0.7 into 0.7 into h. Here we can write this one is 154 divided by 100 equals to 22 divided by 7 into 7 divided by 10 into 7 divided by 10 into h. If you multiply numerator and denominator 10 by 10 means we got 7 divided by 10. 7 get cancelled. 2 11s are 2 5s are. Here 154 divided by 100. This side 77 divided by 50 into h is there. Now 154 divided by 100 into 50 divided by 77. 11 7s are 77. 11 1s are 11. 11 4s are 44. 51s are 52s are. Here 2 1s are 2 7s are. 7 7 get cancelled. Here we got only 1 centimeter. No? Answer is only 1 meter is there, but where we did wrong here? Here 2 no 11 2 is there. 2 1s are 2 7s are. Afterwards 7 7 get cancelled means only 1 meter. H equals to 1 meter. We got 1 meter here. Here also 1 meter is there. Yes, fifth question answer is 1 meter. We did here wrong. 11 2s are 22. 11 14s we took, but here afterwards we can't divided this one. That's why here 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. 7 7 get cancelled, remains 1. Now next question. Sixth question. A milk tank is in the form of a cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and the length is 7 meter. Find the quantity of the milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. Here figure is given. Cylindrical shape tank is there. In that tank the milk is filled. That milk we want to find the milk, how many liters milk are there in this tank. Listen here, what is given here, radius of the tank is given and height of the tank is given. Cylindrical tank, first you have to write here given data. Solution. The cylindrical tank diameter, radius of the cylindrical tank, that is r equals to 1.5 meter and height, length means we consider height. Height of the tank, cylindrical tank, that is h equals to 7 meter. Now volume of cylindrical tank, volume of cylindrical tank, volume of cylindrical tank 2 pi r into pi r square h. Pi r square h is the volume of the cylinder. 22 divided by 7, pi is 22 divided by 7, r is 1.5 into 1.5, h is 7. 7 get cancelled. 22 into 1.5 into 1.5 is 2.25, that is 15 square. 15 square is 225. 1.5 means 2.25. Multiply here 2.25 into 22. 2 5 is a 10, carry 1, 2 2 is a 4, 5, 2 2 is a 4. After 2 decimal is there, that is here 49.50 meter cube is there, but we want to find the liters. Milk is in the liter. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. 1000 liters. That's why if you multiply here, then we got the answer liters. 49.50 into 1000, that is equals to 49500. Multiply here 49.5 into 1000. 10 that is correct. 49,500 liters. 49,500 liters is the answer. Next question. Till now 2 questions are there. If each edge of the cube is double, how many times will its surface area is increases? Second one, how many times will its volume is increases? What is given here? If we take one cube here, suppose this is L. If we take that one L equals to 2L, double means L equals to 2L. L becomes 2L, then what happens? The volume of the volume and surface area. Surface area of the cube is total surface area of cube, that is 6a square, otherwise 6l square, side square. Now L becomes 2, no? Here 6 into 2L square. 6 into 4L square. What happens here? That is 4 into 6L square. ಏರಿಯಾ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ನಲ್ಲಿ 6a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 6l ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿತ್ತು, 6l ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ನೋ? ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸರಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಿತ್ತು ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಲ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿ increase that L is twice, that means 2L, double 2L ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಈ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 2L ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 6 into 4L square, 6 into 4L square, 4 into 6L square. Now 6L square is the surface area of the cube. Surface area of the cube becomes 6L square. Now this 4 times increases. If the side is double, then the volume is surface area becomes 4 times increases. What happens if the volume increases? Volume of cube is side cube formula. Side L ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 2L ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2 into L cube, that is 8L cube ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಗ್ತದೆ. 8 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, if side of the cube is double, then the surface area becomes 8 times. Surface area 4 times. Second one, if side of the cube is double, then the volume becomes 8 times more. 8 times more, here 4 times more. Answer for this 7th question.